Now, they ain't believing me, but every day when I drive home from work, one of these neighbor boys throw Mario at me, and I'm going to catch him. There he is right now. God damn it. Now I'm gonna get off. I couldn't even film it. Yeah, I tell you, these Gen Z little twerps ain't got nothing better. I see you. God, my truck. Now, I don't know if it's Jeffrey, if it's Carter, but I swear I wouldn't even mind if it's Jeffrey. I swear that's you, Carter. I don't even care no more. It's not even a matter of Jesus Christ. God damn, that was one hell of a throw. Oh, my truck.
Here we go.
No, my truck. No, God damn it. My truck. No. Oh, my truck. Drive home. No. No. My truck. I have nothing better than do. I love this truck. Oh, my truck. Oh, my truck. Oh, my truck. My truck. My truck. Truck. Ah, truck. My truck. Oh, my truck. My truck. My truck. Truck. Ah, truck. 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 My truck. 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 No. Truck. Now, I'll tell you, when I show this video to Carter's mother, she goes, damn it, my truck!